Ever wondered what time it is on Mars? Well, it's not as simple as looking at your wristwatch. Martians, if they existed, wouldn't use Earth time. They'd measure their day with something called a sol. A sol is just a fancy way of saying a Martian day. Imagine a Martian calendar with sols instead of days. Instead of Monday, Tuesday, and so on, they might have Sol Day, Star Day, or maybe even names based on Martian landmarks. Okay, I'm getting carried away, but you get the idea. Tracking time on Mars is crucial for any mission, especially for those robots we send to explore. So how long is a sol anyway? A sol on Mars is about 24.6 hours long. That's just about 40 minutes longer than an Earth day. Think of it this way, if you lived on Mars, you'd get an extra 40 minutes to sleep in, watch your favorite Martian sitcom, or, conduct groundbreaking scientific experiments. Every little bit counts, right? This slight difference might not seem like much, but it adds up over time and has a big impact on how we plan missions to Mars. Just like on Earth, a sol on Mars is determined by how long it takes the planet to rotate once on its axis. So both planets experience day and night cycles, though the length of those cycles differs. Mars also has a tilted axis, just like Earth, which means it experiences seasons. Of course, the seasons on Mars are much longer because it takes Mars almost twice as long to orbit the Sun compared to Earth. Still, the similarities make it a little easier for us Earthlings to wrap our heads around Martian time. Those pesky 40 minutes might seem insignificant, but they pose a real challenge for our Mars missions. Imagine trying to synchronize your watch with someone who lives on a planet where the day is slightly longer. It would be a scheduling nightmare. To stay on track, scientists and engineers working on Mars missions have to adjust their schedules to Martian time. They even have special clocks that tell Martian time. It all comes down to making sure those rovers and eventually humans are in the right place at the right time on Mars.